Well, let's take a look now. We got a new lock cylinder. It came with some keys, and of course it comes with the cover still on it here. My cut is healed, in case you're wondering. This is a few days later now. A couple weeks later, maybe. Here's our keys. I'm just going to put one in and try it real quick. Oh yeah, it works. If you do not want to find out some idiot at the factory did that wrong. Alright, so we've got, I don't know if you can see, there's like a tab here, it looks like. And remember, they have to be in the accessory position to put in. And I think I've got that in the accessory position. That's an accessory position there. And the piece that I'm not sure that it's going to be right is that doodad on the top corner there. I'm not sure that that's right at all, because there might have been a spring or something in there. Yeah, it might be this spring right here. Look, there's the spring. So, let me see if that fits on here. I don't know. Shit if I know, man. I need to take a look at that. I'm going to play with that again. Because I don't remember. I probably could look back at the video, but I don't remember how it came off of there. Yeah, so when I pushed up inside that circle, it definitely made that beeping stop. I think that's all it does. Hopefully it doesn't have anything to do with that really stupid pushing up with the screw here. Yeah, I had to push up on it to get it to slide out. And yeah, I don't see a spot. It's just a tiny switch. See that? I pushed that little tiny switch there. So that's what that does. I think the screw is, or the spring is inside the other side of the piece. I'll show it to you here. It's that piece right there. And I imagine the spring is behind it. Because when I turn it, the theory is that when this locks, there you go. See how it sprung up? So that's where that tiny spring was. Maybe worrying about nothing. Again, here, accessory position on. And just gonna slide that in there. And if you look, there's probably some stuff there on the inside. I want to be an accessory. You know, I'm not sure that I am. I don't know that I'm in accessory still. I'm gonna have to get my screwdriver. Hold on. My screwdriver is not here. Oh man. Some kind of screwdriver, hopefully. My luck, this won't be long enough. That's Henry. Where's Andy? Sleep, probably?
Hey, can I buy a couple of your Chevy batteries? one to make the Chevy.
Makes a what?
I made for the batteries that like go to the Chevy, those side mounts.
Yeah, if I have some in there. They should be hanging up. Just remember to replace them later.
I'm just going to pay you for them.
Well, I don't want it, then I have to go replace them.
Fine.
But if you need them today...
Huh?
But if you need them today, help yourself.
Oh, okay.
One.
Fine, I'll replace them.
That's on. Off.
You get a key?
Yeah, so that's accessory. Now we're in accessory. Now that lines up better. Let's see here now. And the key? Yeah, now that's going to line up there, hopefully. It looks like we've got a resistance. And you see that's got a slide there, so as we push that in, getting everything to line up is the fun part. I might just I'll have Henry hold the camera. Now you can run up there with your hand there. Okay, we need to put this on there first. Okay, maybe that was in the way. And this is definitely in the accessory position. That's got a spring. If you can see, it doesn't spring when it's not in accessory position, so that's going in there. And it seems like this, like big bulge, might be what they just have to fight it in there. Maybe this. Oh, okay. This, see, this wobbles back and forth. There's a little slot for it down there. So, too far down? I think you can start with it in the down position. I'm going to put it just a little bit up. I just got to eyeball it. Nope. I want to go. It says, no! It won't go. Maybe I need to turn this just a little bit back further. Oh. No, it's not even. So if I'm straight up and down, I got key lock on here, and that shouldn't be. Hold on, we got key lock on. That's no problem. So maybe these do run an accessory. Yeah, because the heater's not on. Okay, I don't know what I did. I did something weird though, but we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna line this up. I'm pretty sure we're accessory. Key lock is off. That's all there. That's in there. Here we go. No! It says no, I won't fit. It won't go. What is wrong?
Can I look at it?
Maybe I bent that tab right there, taking it out.
Can I look at it?
The key?
No, the lock.
This part?
The whole thing.
Hold on, I'm not done yet.
Okay.
That's lined up with that. And what we're hitting here. I think we're hitting something down in there. It's not there. That's not there. I might need to bend this tab back. See this tab here? I don't know, maybe I bent that. I guess I can push it in and then jiggle it. Jiggle the key lock position there. Should just slide in. Of course, the phone's ringing.